Was doing some interior work today. Built a shifter. Got a way sweeter knob for it though. It's on order. Did some diamond plate on there. Kind of got this like that. Once the trim and everything gets put on it, you won't be able to see. And I got those side panels too that kick over here. Put them on. Doors look good though. Those will get replaced with rivets after I get the window regulators fixed up. Needs a shifter boot too, but see her right in the window. Also got an exhaust hanger in there too now, so yeah. Shifter works pretty good. So it goes through all the gears. But yeah, it's Sunday. That's about all I want to do today. Still got to find a place to mount that horn. Got some that heads-up display to put in yet for the speedo and stuff. Yeah. Got some trim for the back window, and those side panels should hide a lot of that ugly there. It's coming along. All right, guys, stay tuned.